Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my home. In today's video, I am sharing a tour of my Christmas primary bedroom for 2025. So if you're interested in seeing what I've done in this space, just keep on watching. Let me give you a quick scan of my primary bedroom, and then we'll go in for a closer look. The color scheme for this space is gray, gold, and off-white. And this area rug from Amazon was the inspiration. This rug and any other item that I can link will be listed in my description box below. Let's start at my nightstand, and above it I have these mirrors that I always have, but I wanted to bring something special to these mirrors, and that's these gold ornament wreaths. I have one over my nightstand and one over my hubby's nightstand, and I placed a ribbon to hold the wreath in place. I purchased this Santa 2 years ago at Ross and haven't had the opportunity, but my plan is to paint him to look like me. So maybe next year he will get a little makeover, but for now he is just too cute to keep packed away. He has his gifts in one hand and his bag full of toys in the other. And I love that he is a sitting Santa, and I have him sitting on a decorative box. This is a set, one of a set of 2 of lamps from Amazon. I have one of my grandson's photo here on my nightstand. And this nightstand itself I've had for over 10 years and gave it a makeover and added beautiful cabinet pulls to it. Real wood to give it a modern look. This metal mirrored wall art, which is 2 pieces, came from Ross. I've had this for over a year, guys. I actually ordered a bed from Amazon and never did get it, and my intentions were to hang them last year, but held on to them, and I finally hung them on the wall, and I'm loving the look. As far as my bed, I and my hubby, let me say, pulled out these Vaunt panels that I had in the attic. I packed them away and we gave this bed a makeover. When we hung them at first, they hung horizontally and now they're hanging vertical to give me a new look. And I'm loving it. And I don't think I'm gonna buy a bed. I'm gonna go with this because this is giving me a fresh, modern feel. And of course, you know I had to add pillows on top of pillows, right? And these pillow covers, they came from Shein. The silver gray bedding, which is a quilt set that comes as a quilt and two shams. They came from Amazon. Moving over to my hubby's side to share his nightstand. Of course, we have the same mirror and a wreath. And the set of one of two lamps. We keep decorative boxes on our nightstands to hold our necessities as well as to keep the clutter off of the nightstand. I do not like to see the clutter. And he has a little Santa on his side as well and a picture of grandson number 2. Moving along to this wall, kept it simple, not really in this space Christmas, but I moved the ginger jar that I had in my foyer on top of this jewelry organizer just to have something pretty on this part of the wall. And here is my Christmas tree done in silver and gold and off-white. These big beautiful ornaments in silver came as a set of 3 last year. I purchased them last year, by the way, from Ross, and I bought 2 sets. They are absolutely gorgeous. As well as these beautiful poinsettias. They are silver and gold by Rachel Zoe. They came as a set of 3 as well, and I purchased them from Marshall's. Moving over to my dresser wall, the wall art came from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. I've added a beautiful lamp from Hobby Lobby. The decorative boxes are from Z Gallery. And I added this beautiful reindeer that I purchased from Home Goods. And I added pigs at the base of the reindeer. Moving to my fireplace wall, I have these sconces hanging on the wall that need a makeover, and I plan on doing that in 2026. These sconces, large sconces, came from Hobby Lobby. These beautiful wing chairs, modern wing chairs, are from At Home Store. My fireplace itself, I have 2 candle holders that I purchased from Burlington, and the garland on the fireplace, they're just large picks from Hobby Lobby, and I placed those beautiful Rachel Zoe poinsettias from Marshalls, and different picks again from Hobby Lobby. My fireplace came from Big Lots many years ago, and I plan on giving this a makeover next year as well. In front of the fireplace, I've placed this small ottoman, which actually houses my younger grandson's belongings or necessities. And I just placed a small candle holder on top of it. Probably will be removed so we can, prop up our feet. But for now, we'll have the candle holder. In front of our bed, we have a love seat that is so comfortable, and I kept it simple with the pillows by adding 2 furry pillows on the love seat on each side. And to round off this primary bedroom, I have a set of 2 of these side tables that I've placed beautiful decor on. They have acrylic legs that I purchased from Ross a couple of years ago, and I've added a few Christmas decor items. These beautiful candle holders I recently purchased from Ross. They have a marble base. These candles came from Michael's. I love the gold and white. I pulled out my beautiful sleigh that I purchased years ago at Hobby Lobby and placed some garland in it. And here is another piece of that large pick that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I've added the beautiful poinsettia as well as a couple of ornaments on it. Well, that's all I have for you in today's video, and I hope you have been inspired by what I've done in this space. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links will be listed in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. I have one more video to share, and then the awaited home tour for 2025 will come after that. Be safe out there. Love you guys.